Hi guys, this is IBN Nails with Naomi, and today I'm going to show you how to apply a colour coat. Today I'm using the colour Hollywood. Okay, so if you haven't seen my prep video already, I'll put a link below. Once you've prepared your nail, you're just going to take your base coat. You want to apply this really thinly because if it's too thick it can wrinkle into the lamp. You want to cap the end of the nail just to stop anything from getting underneath there and making it lift. Okay, so once you've applied your first layer, you're going to put that under the lamp and leave it to cure for 30 seconds in a UV lamp. Okay, now you're ready to apply your colour. Today I'm using Hollywood. You're going to do the same as you just did with your base coat. Apply this very thinly and remember to cap the end of the nail to stop anything from getting underneath there. You can see I forgot to cap your thumb there, but I will go back to it. Try not to get any of it onto your skin, but if you do, you can easily remove it, either with your own nail, or you can see that I use a cuticle tool to remove it. It's very easy to get off at this point because it doesn't dry unless you put it in the lamp. If you leave it on the skin and cure it in the lamp, it will be very difficult to get off. Okay, so once you've applied this layer, you're just going to cure it in the lamp for 2 minutes. You're going to repeat the process again. Remember to cap the nail. Now you're ready to apply your top coat. Doing the same thing, don't apply it too thickly, otherwise it can wrinkle under the lamp, and also remember to cap the nail. And make sure if you do get any of this on the skin, you remove it as well, because even though you can't see it, it will go hard on the skin. So once you've applied your top coat to all of your nails, you're just going to put it under the lamp and cure it for 2 minutes. Once it's cured, you're just going to take it out of the lamp, take your nail cleanser and a lint-free pad. Just spray some cleanser onto the lint-free pad and rub over the nails. You may see some colour come off, but don't worry, it shouldn't be too much. This removes the sticky layer, so make sure you do this. And then you're going to apply some cuticle oil. You should always apply cuticle oil when you're using any sort of shellac. As you can see, I've uploaded some pictures of these nails at the end. You can see that she has glitter on the nails. I'll be uploading a video to show you how to apply the glitter to your IBN shellac. I'll put the link below, so make sure you watch it. Thanks for watching my video guys, I hope you like it. Please leave any comments in the box below. Bye!